Highlighting rows and columns can be done by clicking on the corresponding column letters here, and also by clicking on the column numbers here. But we can also do this by selecting a cell, and to highlight a whole row we press Shift and then Space. So Shift plus Space will select the entire row, and to then select the entire column we press Ctrl and Space, and that will select the whole column. And if we want to select all data on the sheet, then we can also press Shift Space again, so that will select all our data on this sheet. So to recap, Shift plus Space selects the entire row, Ctrl plus Space selects the entire column. By doing both of them in any order, we select all the data. Ctrl plus Space and Shift plus Space.